What is going on? I'm in the gun range today. You guys seen the 4.75 Rough Rider. Then I showed you the 2-inch Rough Rider. Well, now I have probably the coolest one yet. This thing is 6-inch Rough Rider, tungsten gray, black and gray. This thing just looks sweet. So we're going to shoot this for the first time today. So I'm gonna get this thing loaded up. Now today I got something a little bit fun to shoot at. I actually went and froze some water inside some balloons. There's some paracord inside there, so we can hang these, dangle them a little bit out there in the range and just have a good old fun time. So I'm gonna get this thing loaded up, get those things hung up out in the range, and we're going to see what we can do. All right, so before I blasted some ice, I don't know if you remember, every time I shot the last two Rough Riders, they all shot to the left, so I figured I'd shoot down range. I got a steel gong, I think it's 8 inches out there at about 15 yards. I did repaint them, so I'm gonna shoot at it, see kind of where it's hitting at, see if I even hit it at all. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm gonna do that first before I waste any rounds on the ice. Pretty sure that was low, but we'll see here. Huh. Something's not shooting quite right. All right, let's take this back to the bench, see what the heck's going on. So check this out. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the hammer hit that thing twice, right on the edge. It did not go off, so I don't know what's going on with that. So I'm gonna reload, try that one more time. All right, first few shots. I think the first one was really low, then I was kind of high. Not really sure where this thing is shooting quite yet. Two shots out of 6. What is going on? All right, I took it apart, pulled the cylinder out, put it back together. I don't know, loaded it back up. I shot 6 rounds that time. They all went off, so I don't know what's going on. So we'll see. I'll give it one last ditch effort here, see if we can do something. Otherwise, I'm going to be switching to another 22, blowing up some ice. Dang it. All right, 3 out of 6 shots is probably not the greatest, but I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Look at this thing. When I pull that back, it stays. It's like there's not enough tension to pull that thing all the way forward, so I feel like it's not pushing that pin all the way in to hit the darn casing. Whereas this one, there is no play. You pull it back and it goes all the way forward. See that? So something must be loose in there. I don't know if I can tighten that up or if there's something I need to adjust or what it is. Yeah, that's a good geez, that's a good like 3/16. So that pin might not be getting pushed all the way into the casing to fire the darn round. So I'm still gonna go ahead and load it up. I'm just gonna start taking some shots at the ice blocks, and hopefully half of these things shoot. We'll see what happens. All right, so when this thing is shooting, it's actually shooting pretty much right on. I'm hitting that 8-inch gong 15 yards pretty decent. So this thing's actually only like a 3-inch little ice block, so I'm not sure if I will hit it right off the bat, but we will see right here if the gun goes off. Oh! Oh! All right, there you go. 3 shots, or 3 pulls of this trigger, and 3 shots were actually made. It was pretty cool. Actually hit ice block, blew it up. There was a chunk left. It was swinging. It just kind of sort of timed it right on my 3rd shot and actually nailed off the chunk that was still swinging. So that was pretty cool. So I got a couple more out at 10, 15 yards. I'm gonna kind of keep playing around with this gun for a second, see if I can pull up some more ice. All right, 3 more rounds should be left in here. All right, accuracy wise, it seems like it's shooting really nice. Like I said, those are 3-inch ice blocks and I'm taking care of them pretty easily. But if the gun's not gonna shoot, then what's the point of having it? I pulled the trigger 6 times, 5 shots went off, so that kind of sucks. But here's what's left of the ice blocks. 1 round seems to take out the outside edge and leaves the inside. Like I said, this is just I got a balloon, it's a paracord. I put a knot on the end of this paracord. I stuck inside the balloon, filled it full of water, and put a zip tie around it, and then stuck it in the deep freeze. Something pretty simple. Now I have some fun targets that kind of reacted to the shot. So I'm gonna go ahead and load this thing up again, see if I can take care of those little ice cubes that are left hanging there, and I still got another one going, I think it's like 15 yards, and hopefully this darn thing shoots. These guys are always joining me on the gun range for some reason. Want to shoot a gun too? First round dud. Oh wait, that was me. Safety. Oh, it's okay, little chicken. So a couple duds. All right, so what I did is I took some of those rounds that did not go off, I stuck them in the 4.75-inch barrel revolver to see if maybe they were just duds or something, but I don't think so. I think it's something wrong with that gun. But this also is the gun that shot pretty far to the left. So I'm gonna try to take out this last ice block. I'm only like, I don't know, 6 yards from it because this thing doesn't shoot all that great, but we will find out here in a second. Oh, find out here in a second. Oh. All right, another 6. See if they shoot. All right, I don't know, the verdict is out. You know, the Rough Riders, they're a cheap gun. I expected a couple issues with them, but still kind of disappointing. Especially that one, it's just so cool looking. But I don't know, I did just pull it straight out of the box and I brought it out here. I just do that and then I clean it later. So maybe that's just what it needs. Maybe it needs just really good, thorough cleaning. Maybe I just need to check some of the screws and stuff in it, make sure something's not loose. Just needs to tighten up a bit. I don't know. Otherwise, I'll reach out and see if they have an answer for me on something I can do, or maybe I got to send it in and get it repaired. Who knows? But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little bit of fun, a little bit of disappointment, but all in all, we're in the range, we're outside, having a good old time. So we'll see you next time. Later.